Neville Mutsvangwa, the son of prominent ZANU-PF figures Monica and Christopher Mutsvangwa, found himself behind bars. Why, you ask? Well, Neville was caught up in charges of forex trading and money laundering, a serious offence that landed him in the murky waters of legal troubles. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. The High Court judge, Esther Muremba, was set to rule on his bail, but suddenly recused herself, citing personal reasons. This left Neville's fate hanging in the balance as his case was sent back to the registrar. The timing of Neville's arrest is particularly fascinating. It coincided with a significant policy shift in Zimbabwe, the approval of Starlink's operations, which had been illegal since January 2024. This move by the government is expected to revolutionize internet access across the country, especially in rural areas. It promises high-speed, low-cost connectivity and positions Zimbabwe as an attractive destination for foreign investment in the digital sector. But back to the Mutsvangwa family. Christopher, Neville's father, has openly spoken about the toll this situation is taking on their family. Imagine a family at the heart of political power, now grappling with a crisis that is not only legal, but deeply personal. This incident raises crucial questions about the intertwine of politics, law, and family in Zimbabwe. How will this affect the political landscape? What does this mean for foreign investment confidence, especially with the recent approval of Starlink? And most importantly, how will the Zimbabwean community, both at home and abroad, react to these unfolding events? These are turbulent times, and as the story continues to unfold, the eyes of the world, particularly the Zimbabwean diaspora, remain keenly fixed on this drama that has indeed shaken the nation. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this gives you a clearer picture of the ongoing political saga in Zimbabwe. Stay engaged, stay informed.